What is going on, you guys? Another beautiful day, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. It's Robbie coming at you with another video. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Today, guys, I have something really special that I'm going to be trying out on the car. I purchased it with the car, and I don't even know if it fits or not, but it's an HFP body kit. Now I want to start modifying it and making it my own, and so I've got the kit. And the only thing I'm missing right now is the trunk lid. So if you guys know where I can find that, please go ahead and let me know. I really want to get that. I think it looks amazing, and it just really adds a unique look to the car. So without further ado, I'm gonna have to go ahead and take this out of the car so I can show it to you guys. One of the main reasons why I actually bought this is because it actually was already painted. He was going to put it on, but last minute he decided that he was going to sell the car, so it's not installed. I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to do it myself. I have a local body shop that he's really good at doing stuff like this. If you look at my 8th gen Accord, when I bought the car, it was like looking like this, right? It didn't have the HFP body kit on there, and the HFP body kit is a must-have for these cars. If you guys have one of these cars, you know how amazing the HFP body kit makes the car look, right? And so I cannot have this car and not have an HFP body kit on there. You know, I mean, to each his own. If you have one of these and you don't have the kit on there, that's fine. I mean, you still have an amazing car, right? But for me, it's a must-have, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm not gonna try it on because obviously I'm not gonna waste my glue and try to mount it on there knowing I'm gonna get it redone later on by the professionals, right? Because I'm not, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's like. So it is in the car. The car is really messy, and one of the reasons for that is I'm in the process of installing my my Blackview DR970X Blackview dash cam. I've got the front camera mounted already, and over here I'm in the process of connecting the wires because I'm going to be hardwiring this. But that's not what we're here today. Today we want to talk about this kit right here. As you guys can see, you know, let me go ahead and pull it out quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out the one. Go ahead and take this one out, which he already took the wrap off, as you guys can see. So there it is. Open up the trunk real quick. Don't mind the mess. I'm not a messy person. This is just due to me hardwiring my dash cam. So we got a bag here. And this bag have all the goodies in there. I'll go ahead and take out all these other parts that I have in here. And this is the front piece. Man, looks really good. I don't want to scratch this, so I'll go ahead and put it on the seat there for a minute. And this is the rear. So there you guys have it. Looks nice. I'm gonna go ahead and I can see so much defects on this. Like, whoever it is that did the bodywork in this, they didn't do a good job at all. You know, I mean, if you look at the edges, it's like it's got so much rough edges and bumps, and you know what I mean. But I mean it's all good, right? So let's go ahead and put that there. And the other two pieces, these guys are still wrapped. Put that down. Go ahead and take the other part of it out. And this is the other part. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. See what it looks like. Making sure that there's no damage on there. Looks good. A little dusty. Once again, like, so much defect on there, but not where it matters. Right here, it's clean. This one's a little dusty, but I'll leave that there. So I think this is going to be Yeah, this side. So that. Yeah. So that's gonna be like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and put that there. This is for the front, so I believe, yeah, this is gonna be the right side as well. So go ahead and let's go ahead and try it out. That's what it's gonna look like. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here. Just look at the paint. I want to see how close the paint. Oh man, that paint is a perfect match, you guys. That looks really nice. I mean, the paint. Oh man, it is spot on. Perfect paint match. Looks amazing. Yeah, so looks really nice. Can't complain. Okay, let's go ahead and try the rear. I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. I think this is for this side. Let's go ahead and try. Yeah, let's try this one. This goes on the other side. Okay, back up for a minute there. So as you guys can see, with this side, just me holding it up there, look at this. You see that? This is like, you know, pretty flush, right? And as you can see, look at how much is sticked out. Look at that. That is crazy. But, you know, it is what it is. These things are really expensive, you guys. These things are not cheap, but I'm really happy that I got this, and I think it's gonna look great. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. Oh, you know what? At this point, I'm not even sure if I care too much if it get a little bit of a scratch on there. I mean, I don't want to, because he's gonna have to. Let's try this on the other side. He's gonna have to do a little bit of modification, which is usually the case when you buy these guys, right? Usually have to do some form of modifications. It's a perfect match. So this, that, I'm not sure if it's it looks a little short, right? Because this looks a little short, because I'm thinking this should actually line up with the door here, and it's not. So, oh man, look at that. I just scratched the car. What am I doing? I don't want to scratch my car. Yeah, so gonna have to do some modification with these guys, but yeah, I'm really happy that I got it. And so there you have it, guys. That's the full kit without the trunk lid. I'm hoping that somebody's going to be able to send me a link or tell me somewhere where I can find it, you know, so I can go ahead and purchase it, because I want to install everything together. Oh man, these guys are really loud. Okay, yeah, so if you guys know where I can find the trunk lid to actually complete my full HFP body kit, you guys can go ahead and let me know. Man, if it's not the plane, it's the geese. It's always something making noise, you know. But I mean, it's a nice day out and people are out, birds are out, people are traveling, you know, it's all good. But yeah, so here's the kit, guys. I mean, I have everything here except the trunk lid, which I'm really looking forward to get that to complete the whole set, because I mean, that trunk lid, I mean, spoiler, is gonna really you know, complete that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys back inside the car. Actually, I'm gonna take them back inside, I mean, my apartment, but I need the trunk lid to complete this set, guys. So if you guys know where you can find the HFP, you know, spoiler, go ahead and let me know. I really would appreciate it. I'm really excited to put that on. Like I said, probably gonna have to do a little bit of a modification, because these kits, whenever you get this kit, they're never a direct plug and play, right? It's never a direct fit. There's always some modifications, some better than others, you know, but it's all a part of the process, right? But in the end, it's gonna look amazing. Like my 8th gen, guys, if I showed you guys the body kit that I got from my 8th gen, you know, before I put it on, there's a couple of part of it that was like literally like 2 inches off, right? The ones that weren't 2 inches off, they were whooped. It was like just messed up. But the guy, like I said, he did a great job, and I really, really appreciate it. You know what he did, and make it look like the way it did. And if you look at the car right now, you would have no idea, what that kit looked like before it was installed. So he did a great job. So I'm gonna take this to the same body shop guy. You know, it's a local guy here. His name is Zishan, and he does an amazing job. So I'm gonna take it to him and get him to install it. And then once you guys see this car, once it's done, it's gonna be amazing. You know, so yeah. So man, overall, I'm really excited for this. There's a car. And there's the kit back there, you know. So you know, thank you guys so much for watching the video. You know, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and you know, I really, really appreciate it. So whatever it is you guys can do to help me to build this channel, you know, there's so much more stuff coming, so much more stuff that I want to do to this car, you know, and it's all good stuff, you guys. So if you guys want to be up to date in what's happening with my car, and if you have one of these cars, you know, it would also give you an idea, you know, of what you can do to make your car, look good as well, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Once again, thumbs up, I appreciate it, you know. And if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, that is also appreciated. But most of all, you know, I'm gonna end this video. Let's just, you know, all learn to get along. So go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.